What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Ed Gasket. If you're new to this channel, hello, it's nice to meet you. My name is Ed, and today I hope to do two things with you. Number one, of course, would be to educate you, and more importantly, number two would be to entertain you. Now, if I can achieve both of those things, I hope you would return the favor by subscribing down below. That way we can make it a long-term relationship, and honestly, it would be such a shame to lose such a good-looking and good-smelling, probably, person like yourself to some other YouTuber who doesn't treat you well. I see you flicking their like button. I'm like, dude, what the heck? I thought we had a good thing going. Now today I'm going to show you how to change out the headlight light bulbs on your newer model Volkswagen, which is likely to be one of the easiest things you've ever done to a car. Other than, of course, not exchanging the light bulbs, which would in fact be the easiest thing you've ever done to a car. Now just to be clear on where we're working today, this is the passenger side headlight. Now luckily that does not need to be removed for this job. And if I walk around, you can see the windshield washer fluid fill site. And if I turn on this light, you can see directly into where we'll be working. This right here is the cap for the back of the headlight, and all you have to do is remove that cap and get direct access to the headlight light bulbs. Now you can unscrew this cap. It comes off just like a mason jar lid. Now unfortunately, once you get this jar off and you put your hand inside, you'll see there are no pickles inside of here. It's just headlights. So I don't want you to get upset. No pickles. Now once you pull this out, you'll see that the glass and metal piece is the replaceable light bulb, and the plastic piece here is just the plug that stays behind with the vehicle. Now in order to remove the light bulb from the plastic plug, all you have to do is flip up that metal tab right there, and on the opposite side that tab right there, and the two pieces just pull right apart. So when you run over to the hardware store, grab a pack of H7 light bulbs for your vehicle. Now the new bulb, you do not want to touch the glass part of the bulb. I'm not exactly sure why, but I have a feeling it's because if there was ever a murder with your vehicle and they traced your fingerprints from the light bulb back, you might end up getting charged for murder. That would suck. So if you look closely, it's really nice. They actually put a top hat feature on the bulb, and they also put a top hat feature on the clip here. I'm not sure why I said that's nice, because actually the orientation is 180 degrees from that. That is the way you want to install this. Great, my finger just touched that, so hopefully I don't get charged with murder. It's really loose until it gets installed, but that's the way it's going to look. Now you can install this into the plug. Should hear a series of clicks. That either means that you've bent and destroyed the clip, or it's perfectly installed. I can't exactly tell you which one it is, judging by the number of clicks, but you should hear quite a few. Now when you install this thing back in, it's essentially a blind effort. All you have to do is insert this back in like so, and then you're going to want to twist this side up. Now once you complete one side, the opposite side is essentially a mirror image of the other, so finish up both, and then the last thing you have to do is check the quality of your work by testing the headlights. All right, everybody, now you're ready to go change the headlights out on your newer model Volkswagen. If you want to comment, compliment, or critique any of the content you've seen in this video, please hit up the comment section down below. I'd be happy to be trolled by just about anybody. Guys, if you want an Ed Gasket t-shirt, hit up edgasket.com. And if anybody's still listening, Bueller. Check out Ed Gasket Garage on Instagram for all content between videos. Otherwise, guys, if you need us between now and that next video, we'll be in the garage.